Hello, this is WWE Wrestling Fan 221. Just here to do a DVD unboxing. So I've been pretty excited about this. WWE DVD. Calm down. My knife. Oh, here it is. Hell in a Cell. The greatest Hell in a Cell matches of all time. I'm so excited about this DVD. You have no idea. I'll just open it up. Check that it's all good. If it's not, that would be embarrassing. Pretty excited. So, oh, it flips out. It's cool. And then here it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks amazing. Oh, it looks sick. It's amazing. Great condition. Great condition. MA. So here it is. I'll just read this stuff, the DVD's out. This is a little bit of a tour. It's the most, yeah, I won't read that. I'll just read out my, yeah, I'll show you the inside. That's Batista, and that's Triple H and Batista. There's the discs. It looks amazing. It looks great. Really excited. I've been waiting. Ordered this on Sunday and it's Thursday, so it's come pretty quick. So it cost me $34 in Australian, which I think is a bit more expensive than American, or cheaper or something. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's cheaper. I think it's about, I don't know, like 35 or something. I mean 25 or something. Anyway, yeah, that's the thing there, and that's the back. I'm really excited about this. Doesn't look like there's much of my stuff. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to do a review on this. I'm not going to read it out at the moment, but I'm so excited about this. This is Hell in a Cell 3-disc set, and that is the cover, and it rolls into there, and I'm excited. Thank you for watching my first WWE DVD unboxing. Really excited now. I've got wrestling to watch, thank God. So yeah, I'm pretty fucking excited. So thank you for watching, and this is WWE Wrestling Fan 221, and thank you and good night.